Brain-eating amoeba or amoebic meningoencephalitis is spreading through the state of Kerala. As of now, 71 cases have been reported and 19 people have lost their lives. So what is this brain-eating amoeba? Amoebic meningoencephalitis is caused by Naegleria fowleri. The amoeba thrives in warm, stagnant or inadequately treated water and enters the body through the nose. The disease is extremely rare but highly fatal, with a high mortality rate worldwide. Once inside, the amoeba travels to the brain, causing severe inflammation. Situation in Kerala. Health Minister Veena George has confirmed that the infection, once limited to a few clusters, is now appearing sporadically, from Kozhikode to Malappuram and beyond.
Once the test is found positive, they will go for, and as per the symptoms, no? So if they find amoeba, they will start the treatment for amoebic meningoencephalitis.
Symptoms to watch out for. The early symptoms of this infection can look like the flu, but it progresses fast and aggressively. Watch out for severe headache, fever, nausea or vomiting, seizures or loss of consciousness. Why this year is different? Last year, cases were linked to specific water sources. But this year, it's different. Isolated cases are popping up with no known water exposure. Some patients have not been near ponds or lakes, raising concerns about well water or new transmission routes. What the government is doing? The Kerala Health Department has increased surveillance and instructed hospitals to report all meningoencephalitis cases immediately. They're pushing for early detection, which has helped Kerala achieve a 24% survival rate, much higher than the global average of less than 3%. This is largely thanks to timely diagnosis and the use of the anti-parasitic drug miltefosine. For more verified health updates, keep watching NDTV. This is Shubh Bhardwaj for NDTV.